Mautamasi, bringing you the latest happenings in dancehall and reggae music.
Welcome, it's Mautamasi, and here are the stories making the cut for today. Skillibeng and Nicki Minaj debuts on Billboard Hot 100 chart. 3 girls expose PNP's Dayton Campbell. The funeral crier. Nicki Minaj picks side. Foota High pays tribute to Leroy Sibbles. Chuck It promoter signs $2 billion deal. Stay tuned for the stories in detail. And remember to follow me on Instagram at Mauta_Masi.
Get the youth, why so? Put down the gun, thing it not go work, my youth. Them thing they put you on the dirt, my youth are behind the bars. Why so? Stand firm like white oak tree root. Life is what we preserve, my youth. I'm telling you.
Get to youths, wise up, because life is a gift. Make the best of it. Yes, that's the message from Bingy Links via his song Wise Up. It's on the Oak Tree Root rhythm. Special shout outs going out to Ian Coburn, also Millen Moore Records. Bingy Links' real voice makes the message more impactful, and his diction makes his song relatable, not just to get to youths, but to all youths in general. Leave the guns. It will only put you in the dirt or behind bars. Perfect song to send to troubled youths because it offers wisdom and direction. Massive to listen to Wise Up. Please click the link in the description box below and check him out on Instagram at unusual_Bingy Links. Make him know say I'm Mautamasi no. Boy, you know, put some fire emoji in the comment section because I'm sure everybody's gonna be so happy with this news. Skillibeng and Nicki Minaj Crocodile Tea remix debuted on the Billboard Hot 100 chart at number 100.
My nigga.
Boy, I went last on Jamaican artist got on the Billboard Hot 100. Let me know. No go do no research and please come back and tell me. Man, nah lie. It's a good look. But no say Skillibeng and Theme Camp right now must celebrate. Go on do my youth. Popular beach party series Chuck It has signed a US multi-million-dollar contract with an international entertainment company, which will see the event hosted in the United States. The first staging is set for Florida in September during Labor Day weekend. So Not Nice made a comment underneath that post. It reads, all the more reasons for tourists stop come here. All of we big party them gonna foreign. Wonder if the bigger heads them no see what go on. Make your money, ya youth. Then this person tagged Not Nice and say, and tourists will still always come. Like, come on, this is Jamaica. Not Nice tagged her back and say, yeah, they will. But do a survey and see how much come here because of our parties, events. Ask Reggae Sumfest, Dream Weekend, even the Buju concert we go on one day. And tell no lies still, you have a point. Not Nice. If all our big festivals are gonna pick up themselves and go foreign, we now go accumulate as much money as we could. Tourists come here for the environment, yes, but they also come here for the culture. Everything what there Jamaica probably there's somewhere else in the world, but the culture is unique to us. And suppressing and killing our culture definitely are going to affect the tourist industry. So I agree with you there. Not Nice as it relates to tourism and how the culture affects it. What are your thoughts, Massive? Let me know in the comment section below. So Massive, the latest what going over the PNP camp. And hear about it? Well, it involves former Member of Parliament Dayton Campbell. Yes. So Nationwide posted this video with the caption, PNP activist files court statements alleging underage sex. Just in. Controversy engulfing PNP General Secretary Dr. Dayton Campbell has taken a major turn. Documents filed in the Supreme Court include statements purportedly signed by 3 females who allege that when they were underage, they had sex with Campbell. The statements, which were filed in the Supreme Court, were witnessed by justices of the peace who indicated that they saw the passport and identification cards of the alleged victims. Dr. Campbell strongly denied these allegations of wrongdoing. All we can say is this don't look good. All eyes are on the PNP party right now. I'm sure persons want to see how Mark Golding is going to deal with this case, especially seeing how he was so vocal about the handling of the George Wright case by the Prime Minister. So yes, Massive, wanna think the next step should be? Do you guys think that this is the first time we're gonna see a politician being prosecuted for his crimes? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
Well, every day a man gets up with them war thing. Another quarrel, me hear another quarrel. Every day a man gets up with them war thing. If them not from one, so Jah go take them blessing. Whole heap of things happen, we don't know what come next. Every day we see mankind a beat them chest. Them a both fan them one another, say them a the best. As you and I know, say God them a the best.
Another Quarrel is the name of this one from the album 10 Toes Journey. The artist is known as Singer D. Rest assured, Massive, this album has 14 tracks that you can listen out fully. Meaningful songs that bring the authentic reggae vibes. Singer D vocals are soothing. His delivery is clear and commands your attention. The album has various messages and themes that are very relevant in contemporary times. 10 Toes went to #1 on the US chart for 49 weeks. Big up Marcus Records and Lava Vice. Massive, please visit Spotify to fully appreciate the songs on this album and check him out on Instagram at singer.d.7. Make him know say I'm out of Massive no. So Lava posted this video on his Instagram page. Check it out.
My daughter got prom yesterday, and daughter come home and said, "Daddy, I hiding certain stuff for me that I want to know." I said, "Hiding stuff for you want to know? What that? No. She said, "I was at my prom, and my friend was introduced to our next friend and said, that's the one, and her father is very famous because he have Nicki Minaj also follow him on Instagram." And she said she didn't know. I said to myself, "You never know neither. But you know me for play it off." And I said, "Come on, Nana. You know I'm famous, so famous people know famous people." You see what I'm saying? So I need to take my little time and go on my Instagram, type in Nicki Minaj and go to blue. Look, Nicki Minaj and follow me back too. Nicki! Big up yourself. Nicki Minaj, big up. Yeah, that was a Buzz Nation. We out. Gaza, we buzzing. Nicki!
He captioned that the story, big up at Nicki Minaj. And guess who made a comment? No, Nicki Minaj herself, Blue Ticky and all. Famous people must follow famous people. You don't know. Gaza me say, kisses to your daughter, heart emoji. Then Lava Sound tag Nicki and say, "Real talk, I just show my daughter the comment and she's going crazy. Love and respect. Hashtag stay buzzing. They hashtag Gaza away." That was so unexpected. We never did I expect that. Only did I expect Nicki to come comment on if you talk truth, man. I believe in giving people roses while they're alive. Not true? Yeah, man. Give me my roses while me alive. I'll give you your roses while you're alive. And that is exactly what Foota Hype did on his Instagram page when he posted this picture of Leroy Sibbles. And he said, "Have to say enough respect and salute to Mr. Leroy Heptone Sibbles. If it wasn't for him, in many ways, probably I wouldn't be known to many of you today. He is the one who initiated my very first real conversation with Grung Godzilla, and he was the person who arranged my first meeting with Sharon Burke, who put me on the big stage, Fully Loaded, which I dominated multi times, and the rest is history. I'm forever grateful. Long live the living legend at Leroy Sibbles." CM so, give them their roses, man. So I want to introduce to you guys a real hustler, and if you need his services, please reach out to him. He's a funeral crier. Yes, crier. Check out this video.
I mean, Kingston 11. I mean, say, as you're dead, call me. As you're dead, call me. 3 grand sing, 5 grand sing and ball, 7 grand sing ball and roll. And if you use straw bag, dig me off 5 coffin to go down the hole at 10 grand. That's a town price. Country price of 5 grand sing, 7 grand sing ball and roll, 10 grand sing ball and roll. I go coffin. If you use straw bag and dig me off at 13 grand. As you're dead, call. Yo, we'll see your last
Camera.
Beg your last meal.
Who's that doing? So that's it for today. Massive Martin, a big up on a nice clean self, enough love, enough respect. Blessings upon blessings, upon blessings. Positive vibrations going out to the massive. I'm out of Massey. Magan.
Mouta Massey. Covering the latest in Jamaican music and culture. Like, share, comment and subscribe now.